Welcome to Thrive with Plants. If you're looking to eat healthier, feel better, and live more intentionally, you're in the right place. This channel is all about making plant-based living simple, satisfying, and stress-free. No pressure, no perfection, just real food and real-life solutions. We cover everything from quick recipes and grocery tips to nutrition facts and debunking the biggest plant-based myths.
Thriving with plants is a mental journey, so we'll offer affirmations to help you stay motivated. Eating plant-based doesn't have to be all serious. Our fun comics will keep you laughing. We will celebrate choosing to eat healthy food. We discuss eating whole fruits and vegetables.
Whether you're fully plant-based, plant-curious, or just trying to eat more greens, this is a space where you can learn, grow, and thrive. So hit that subscribe button, join our community, and start thriving with plants one delicious bite at a time.